What's up, y'all? It is your girl Wendy Games on the beat again. So I am back after a pretty long time, and today, as you could see from the title below, we are going to be customizing my phone. Well, I'm not really doing a tutorial. If you guys want to know like how to do this, or you want a tutorial on how I did this, just comment down below and I'm gonna like show y'all. But for now, for today, we are just going to see how, like, you're basically helping me out. Really, is it like helping? No, you're basically just watching me changing my theme, this regular theme I got on right now, into the Christmas theme. Yeah, my birthday is in 4 days on Monday the 6th. So I just love having the Christmas vibe everywhere and stuff like that. So yeah, why not? So make sure y'all leave a like, make sure y'all comment down below, and make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. I've been receiving a lot of love from my YouTube intro tutorial videos. I'm so thankful for y'all who have been watching, who have been liking, who have been like supporting me the whole time. Thank you very much. And also make sure to turn off the notification bell. So without no further ado, we're gonna go into the video. So y'all, this is how my theme like just looks like. Here, yeah, behind is the app itself, but yeah, this is how the homepage looks like. So we're gonna change each of this, and this requires me like to delete all of these ones here, except for the widget and the affirmation load thing. So I have to delete everything. When I'm deleting everything, like all these apps here, it's not going to delete the app from my phone. Okay, these are the, like, for example, this is Snapchat. This is Snapchat. This is a real Snapchat. This one is just a shortcut. Like I said, if you guys want to know how exactly I did this, comment down below and I'm gonna like see, I can like throw out a tutorial. So yeah, you're just gonna watch me changing my theme. So yeah, I would first of all look for pictures that I would put as the color icon and stuff like you guys can see. My color icon is like brownish, beige, or stuff like that. So yeah, where I find mine is on Pinterest, y'all. Pinterest is just the best. So I would go on Pinterest. Anyways, so I would be like, I would probably just write Christmas icons. I don't really know. Icon, you see, they already have it. But child, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get the pictures. So y'all, I'm back again, and I found my pictures on Pinterest. I always say Pinterest. I'm so sorry about that. So these are the pictures that I took. This is what I'm gonna use for my icons. So yeah, that's basically what I'll be using for my icons. So yeah, we're gonna go to it, but first I want that we should put a good background. Y'all see my background? La vie est belle. Yeah, I really love this background. I don't know where the picture itself is. I hope I find it back. So we're going to put a Christmas based background. So let me just go to Pinterest again. This is where I found my icon. So thank you to Annette. So I'm giving credit to her. Thank you for the icons, because it's her icons that I've been using. So there's a lot. When I'm gonna find the Christmas wallpaper, I'm going to come back to you guys, because it's going to take me some time to really find a wallpaper, a good one that is like of my taste. Okay, y'all, so I finally found a wallpaper that I'm going to put in. This is wallpaper that I'm going to get. So we're going to set it as our wallpaper right now. Oh my god, I'll miss this one that I just have on. Okay, so wallpaper. So yeah, it looks pretty cool, right? This is dope, but this is not going to be on the, I'm gonna put it in the home screen. So here we go. Oh my goodness, did y'all see this? This completely changed every single thing. I could still leave it like this with the icons like that, but I would not do that. I would just change it as one. So now let's get into the whole work. So if you want to like create Instagram, I have to delete this shortcut and then recreate another one. Like I said, I'm going to use this icons here. They look so basic to me, but I mean, it's okay. Let me just try it first. So I will like delete the icon. Oh my god, I deleted it. So let's go. I would go into shortcuts. What the hell is shortcuts? Okay, I will go into shortcuts and press this one, plus, and then open app, and then, oh shit. Okay, I had to choose the app. So I would start with Instagram, and I would name it Instagram. Add to home screen. Instagram again. And then choose photo. This is where the pictures come into the place. So we will put this picture. Choose. And then add. It has been added, y'all. Let's see how it looks like. So this is it. I will just bring it back here. So how do y'all see that? I don't know how to feel about this. I miss my old icon, but this is for Christmas for now. Anyways, y'all, let's deal with the other ones, and I would like go fast forward this time. Okay guys, so I'm done already customizing the icons. So this is how the icons look like. For me, I think it's pretty dope. You know, I did not want no decorations on the icon because I feel like it will be too much, since in the background there's a tree, there's a Christmas decoration, like everything's just so tricked up, so it's okay. So now we're going to move to my widget, like here. I'm just gonna click here, and I think I would like really love to put a picture, and I'm just gonna put this one. Yeah, like I'll just put it like this. Oh no, this one. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this one, and yeah, nah, the thing is okay. I will put the photo with the date and the time, probably. Yeah, so that's how I want it. So y'all, I thought I was having a little bit of difficulties adjusting my widget, but it is done. So the last thing we're going to do right now is this affirmation. It's actually in like my list, my notes. So I think I'm gonna like change one. I'm gonna like add Merry Christmas. I think so. Let me just be like Merry Christmas. You know, it's not yet Christmas, but I'm just putting it. And I'm just gonna put a red heart here, and I think I would like to the name and appearance affirmations, I would just make it into red. And yeah, I think we're done with it. So y'all, I'm done with customizing my theme, and it looks really cool to me. Like I love it. I really had some difficulties doing some of this because I thought I could handle the situation, but I just forgot some of the settings I put on here, so I had to go look back and stuff like that. So if you like it, make sure you comment down below how you feel about it. But as for me, I really do love this. This is so cute. This is so dope. And you know, I'm all about the Christmas period because first of all, that's my month, and first of all, the second. All those who are like having birthdays in this month, I wish y'all already a happy birthday in advance and all that. And yeah, this is just so cute. So thank you guys for watching this. If you guys want a tutorial on how to do this from scratch, like, you know, update or customize your iOS 14 version, make sure y'all go to the comments and let me know so that I can, like, you know, do a tutorial on that. And y'all should not forget to subscribe. You're helping us this out, okay? Like this video, subscribe, comment down below, and turn off the post notification bell. That's all I'm asking for you. And thank you guys for watching again, and Merry Christmas in advance to all of you watching this video. See ya in the next one. God bless you. Yeah, I changed my settings. I put this battery widget instead down here because I think it was around here. This was how it was, but I put it this way because I love it like this. So yeah, that's all for the video. Bye.